Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Karbon Fixed Pedestal Assembly Guide. The Karbon Fixed Pedestal comes in a 2 or 3 drawer design. If you have ordered the 2 drawer fixed pedestal, you will get 4 40mm handle screws, 2 drawer handles, 4 40mm pedestal fixing screws, 2 keys, 1 Allen key and 2 filing rods. If you have ordered the 3 drawer fixed pedestal, you will get 6 40mm handle screws, 3 drawer handles, 4 40mm pedestal fixing screws, 2 keys and 1 Allen key. To start, safely remove all of the drawers from the 3 drawer pedestal. The filing drawer on the 2 drawer pedestal should not be removed. Then unscrew the handles from the inner side of the drawers and attach the handles to the front of each drawer using the 40mm handle screws. Each pedestal can be attached to either the left or right side of the desk in whatever configuration you would like. Now, to attach the fixed pedestal to your carbon desk. With the help of another person, lie your carbon desk down as shown. Align the pedestal with the pre-drilled pilot holes in the underside of the desktop and using the Allen key, secure with the 4 40mm pedestal fixing screws, taking care not to over-tighten the screws. With the help of another person, carefully stand the desk upright. Now insert the pedestal box drawers. Before inserting the top drawer into position, turn the key to the drawer lock fully to the right. If you have fitted a 2 drawer pedestal, open the filing drawer and place the filing rods in the desired position. The filing rods can be placed to accommodate both A4 and foolscap sized files. And there you have it. Your new Karbon Fixed Pedestal is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.